हाय फ्रेंड्स, इन दिस सेशन विल स्टार्ट विद चैप्टर नंबर 3 डीपीपी। आप सभी के पास इसका पीडीएफ अवेलेबल है। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑन योर स्क्रीन, द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस विच शोज द डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस आयनिक रेडियाई ऑफ द एलिमेंट। 4 ऑप्शन आपकी स्क्रीन पे है एंड योर आंसर इज डी डेली। व्हाई डी डेली? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑल द गिवन स्पीशीज कंटेन 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन ईच, दैट इज आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीशीज। एन आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीशीज के लिए एक चीज ऑलवेज याद रखिएगा, O-2 F-Na+Mg+2 Al+3 +3 जितना भी होगा उतना साइज कम होता जाएगा, माइनस जितना भी चार्ज होगा उतना साइज बढ़ता जाएगा। दैट मीन्स isoelectronic species anion having the higher negative charge is largest in size and cation having the higher positive charge is smallest in size. Likewise, question number 2 on your screen, the van der Waals and the covalent radii of this fluorine atom respectively. So your answer is C, Calcutta. Why C, Calcutta? Covalent radius is the radius of atom and its bounded state. That is, in fluorine it is a half of this distance between these two covalent radii, and van der Waals radii is 1/2 of this distance between this nuclei of these two identical non-bonded isolated atom. So ये दोनों चीज ध्यान में रखिए, दोनों डेफिनेशन से। अगर आपका डेफिनेशन परफेक्ट याद है तो आंसर इज रियली वेरी इजी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, arrange the following in increasing order of this ionic radii: C -4, N-3, F-O-2. C, Calcutta is your right answer. Fourth, which is not the correct order of the state properties? 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए, अच्छे से फोकस कीजिए। बी बॉम्बे गलत है, इज नॉट पूछा हुआ, दैट्स व्हाई बी बॉम्बे गलत है। आप लोगों को एक एक्सेप्शनल केस पढ़ाया गया था, बेरिलियम एंड बोरोन, ऑक्सीजन एंड नाइट्रोजन। इन केस ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इट्स sp3 hybridized, nitrogen having p3 electron and oxygen having p4 electron. It is really very easy to remove one electron from oxygen then nitrogen. So that's why first ionization enthalpy का जो order है वो गलत है। एक्चुअली आना चाहिए F is greater than to this, N is greater than to this O, बट यहां पे कुछ उल्टा दिया हुआ है, दैट्स व्हाई 4 बी बॉम्बे। फिफ्थ ऑन योर स्क्रीन, ऐसा ही एक और ऑर्डर दिया हुआ है, इन विच ऑफ दिस फॉलोइंग अरेंजमेंट द ऑर्डर इज नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस प्रॉपर्टी। वंस अगेन अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए, योर आंसर इज सी, कलकत्ता। कैसे सी कलकत्ता आया देख लीजिए। इन अ पीरियड ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ आयोनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट विद ब्रेक्स where the atom have somewhat stable configuration. In this case, nitrogen has half-filled stable orbital, hence has highest ionization energy. So that's why correct order क्या होगा? B is less than to this, O is less than to this, N. और आपको दिया हुआ है B is less than to this, C is less than to this, N less than to this, O. So N O आगे पीछे हो जाएगा. That's why it is a wrong option. So question number 5, C is your right answer. The symbol and the IUPAC name for this following element with atomic number 120. 120 IUPAC name, that is UBN, and name is N-by-nilium, that is Ahmedabad is your right answer. 7th, एक और sequence of this acidic character is, आपको 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर है, अच्छे से फोकस कर लीजिए। So 7th answer B Bombay. The acid character of non-metal oxide increases across a period from left to right and decrease down to the group. आप सभी को पढ़ाया गया है when you come up to the down, एसिडिटी जो है, एसिडिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, वो डिक्रीज होता जाएगा। मीन्स टॉप मोस्ट फैमिली मेंबर acidic, middle one is amphoteric, and lowermost is basic in nature. So among the oxides of carbon, acidic characteristics increases with this oxidation number of carbon increases. So that's why CO2 is more acidic than CO. Hence the sequence of acidic characteristics is N2O5 is greater than to this SO2 is greater than to this CO2 is greater than to this CO. Question number 8 on your screen. The correct order of ionization energy for the carbon, nitrogen and oxygen atom. Once again अभी ऊपर हमने डिस्कस किया नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन का एक्सेप्शनल केस. So your answer C, Calcutta is your right answer. Carbon is less than to this nitrogen is greater than to this oxygen. Question number 9 on your screen. Which of this following order is wrong? Once again आपको कुछ दिए हुए हैं 4 ऑप्शंस, देखते जाइए. B Bombay is your wrong option. Once again बेरिलियम से बोरोन की ज्यादा दिखाई हुई है. बेरिलियम की ज्यादा होगी एज कंपेयर टू दिस बोरोन. एक्सेप्शनल केस just because beryllium electronic configuration is 1s2 and 2s2, boron is 1s2 2s2 2p1. So it is really very easy to remove one electron from 2p1 than 2s2. So that's why boron has less ionization enthalpy as compared to this beryllium. Exceptional case हमने पढ़ा था. So B Bombay आपका आंसर रहेगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का. 10 on your screen. The radii of F minus, O and O minus 2 are in order. D Delhi is your right answer. Question number 11 on your screen. Which of this following has this maximum number of unpaired electrons? बहुत easy straight away question है. Your answer is D Delhi. Electronic configuration लिखिए और unpaired electron count कर लीजिए. Once again 11 is D Delhi. Fe plus 2 के अंदर highest 4 unpaired electron मिलेंगे. Question number 12 on your screen. In the incorrect statement among the following is, गलत statement ढूंढना है. Once again ionization enthalpy का question है. B Bombay is your wrong statement. The second ionization potential of Mg is greater than the second ionization of sodium. क्यों? रीजन क्या है? When one electron removed from sodium achieve nearest noble gas configuration, that is neon core. अब उसमें से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना इट इज रियली वेरी डिफिकल्ट. तो सोडियम सेकेंड आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी इज रियली वेरी हाई एज कंपेयर टू दिस मैग्नीशियम. यहां पे पूरा उल्टा लिखा हुआ है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस पीरियोडिक लॉ ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, the variation in properties of elements is related to their. आप सभी को periodic law पता है. That is B Bombay, that is atomic number. Once again increase decrease order. Identify the correct order of size of this following. That is question number 14. Answer is A Ahmedabad. So once again for isoelectronic species, the size of anion increases as this negative charge increases, whereas the size of cation decreases with increase in positive charge. So the correct order is Ca plus 2 is less than to this K plus, less than to this Ar, less than to this Cl minus, less than to this S minus 2. Question number 15 on your screen. Which of the statement given the correct picture? सही ऑप्शन कौन सा है वो आपको ढूंढना है. Answer is B Bombay. In alkali metals, the reactivity increases, but the halogen it decreases with increases the atomic number down to the group. This is your right answer. Question number 16. Once again match the pair. In following arrangement, the sequence is not strictly according to this property. So 16, that is B Bombay. जो ऑर्डर जो दिया हुआ है वो लेस देन में है. एक्चुअली ऑर्डर आना चाहिए ग्रेटर देन में. एमोनिया इज ग्रेटर देन टू दिस PH6, ग्रेटर देन टू दिस ASH3, ग्रेटर देन टू दिस SB. जो लेस देन में दिया है वो गलत है. That's why 16 answer is B Bombay. 17th, which of this following is wrong? कौन सा गलत है? Once again match the pairs. So 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर, चेक कर लीजिए कौन सा सही हो सकता है. विच इज रॉन्ग? रॉन्ग कौन सा है? बी बॉम्बे. वंस अगेन बेरिलियम एंड बोरोन वाला केस है, यहां पे रिपीट हो रहा है क्वेश्चन. 18, the correct order of electron gain enthalpy with this negative sign of FClBrI having atomic number 9, 17, 35 and 53 respectively. So correct answer is B Bombay. Cl is greater than to this F, is greater than to this Br, is greater than to this I. So justification on your screen. Justification is pretty clear. Exceptional case आप सभी को पता है किस हिसाब से था. So 18 answer is B Bombay. 19, which one of this following has the largest ionic radius? Answer A Ahmedabad. Justification, on moving along this period, ionic radii decreases due to this increase in the effective nuclear charge. 20th on your screen, once again order. Least negative to the most negative electron gain enthalpy. C, that is carbon, calcium, aluminium, fluorine and oxygen. So 20th justification on your screen. As the nuclear charge increases, the force of attraction between this nucleus and the incoming electron increases, and hence the electron gain enthalpy becomes more negative. Hence the correct order is calcium is less than to this aluminium, is less than to this carbon, is less than to this oxygen, less than to this fluorine. जस्टिफिकेशन लिखते जाइएगा साइड बाय साइड, क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट आपने देखा इस चैप्टर के अंदर मैच द पैर्स या फिर इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज ऑर्डर में ही क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. 21st on your screen, which of these following elements represent the highest electron positive as well as high electron negative character in its period? Answer is A Ahmedabad, that is hydrogen. 22, which one of this following ion has the highest value of ionic radius? Once again ionic radius, A Ahmedabad is your right answer because having O-2. 23, once again increase and decrease. Acidic strength down to the group, acidic characteristics decreases, topmost family member having the highest acidic. So correct order is D, Delhi. So 23, as the size increases, the basic nature of oxides change to its acidic nature, that is acidic nature increases. SO2, P2O3, SiO2, Al2O3. So SO2 and P2O3 are acidic in their corresponding acid, that is H2SO3 and H3PO3 are the strong acids. 24th, once again increase and decrease. Answer A Ahmedabad, just because isoelectronic species O-2, N-3, S-2, P-3. 25th, which of this following oxide is amphoteric in nature? A Ahmedabad, that is SnO2, just because SnO2 can react with acid as well as base both, so that's why SnO2 is amphoteric in nature. 26, स्टेटमेंट आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर है. आंसर ए अहमदाबाद is your right answer. So incoming electron occupy the smaller n is equal to 2 shell. Also negative charge on oxygen, that is O minus, is another factor due to which incoming electron fail repulsion. Hence, electron repulsion outweighed the stability gained by this achieving noble gas configuration. So that is 26 is A Ahmedabad. Which of this following statement is wrong? Straight away, B Bombay is your wrong statement. 28. कुछ एंथैल्पीज की वैल्यू दी हुई है. The most reactive metal and the least reactive non-metal of this are respectively. वैल्यूज के ऊपर से आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए. C Calcutta is your right answer. One represent Li, 2 represent K, 3 represent Br, 4 represent I, 5 represent He. So, among this, 2 represent the most reactive metal and 5 represent the least reactive non-metal. Question number 29. Consider the following statement. D Delhi, that is 1, 2, 3 is your right answer. 30th, once again match the pairs. सारे ऑप्शन आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर है. So right answer is D Delhi. So this is all about your chapter number 3 DPP. So basically chapter number 3 के लिए कॉमन ट्रेंड्स अगर आप याद रख लोगे तो हाईएस्ट क्वेश्चन बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीशीज, आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी, ऑक्साइड्स के ऊपर ही आपको पाए जाएंगे. तो कॉमन ट्रेंड्स अगर आपको याद है तो यू कैन क्रैक एनी MCQ फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 3. So this is all about from my side. Thank you so much.